Hi there, I'm Dan with Interplant Sales. I'm running a Clausen 15-inch Colchester lathe for you here today. It's got 48-inch centers. Features an accurate 2-axis readout on it. It's a geared head machine, inch metric. Comes with a 3-jaw chuck. There's a full coolant tray with a chip back tray there, standing up back there, goes with it. It's currently wired for 460 volt, 3-phase. I'll start the machine up here. RPM here. So reverse, forward. Get your feet on the saddle here, engaging this lever here. So we're going to use it in and out. Direction by doing this. Feed the other way now. Feeding a little slow there. Engage across, feed, pull on this handle here. This one here will feed. Electric brake on it. Shift, you turn the brake off by hitting the button here. Turns the brake off. And then get the speed right there. So 45 RPM. Speed right there. Shifting up to mixed range up here. Brake off. Clausens are fully supported lathes, still in business. It's a good running machine. If you have any questions, give us a call.